I'm Connor with GME Supply, and in this video, we're going to go over how to attach the Kask V2 visor to the Super Plasma HD. Let's start by taking a quick look at the Super Plasma HD safety helmet from Kask. This helmet has many features that make it one of the strongest, most comfortable helmets on the market. It features nylon external lamp clips, and of course, it's compatible with Kask's wide line of Super Plasma HD accessories, like the V2 visor. This visor attaches to a dedicated visor attachment point, located on the temple of the Super Plasma HD. The lens is made of an anti-fog, scratch, and impact-resistant polycarbonate plastic. It's constructed with overlapping corrective lenses, giving you a panoramic field of view without warping. And it comes in 3 color options, including clear, smoke, and silver mirror. This visor is ideal for tree care, tower climbing, window washing, pretty much any at-height activity that could potentially damage your eyes. Installing the visor is a very simple process that securely attaches it to the helmet. First, remove the triangular plastic tabs located on the temples of the helmet. Then, clip in the visor support on each side. Note the left and right classifications and position them accordingly. Install the visor onto the supports. Next, install the washers onto the supports over the visor. These should firmly clip in, and the notches on the washers should align with the raised notches on the support bracket. Finally, install the screws and rotate clockwise until it's as tight as your fingers can tighten it. Further tightening with hand tools is unnecessary and may damage the helmet. To remove the visor, simply reverse this process. Kask has a full line of visors ranging from half mask, full face, and mesh, all designed for the Super Plasma HD, as well as a line of earmuffs with different levels of frequency protection. Pick up the Kask Super Plasma HD and the V2 visor today at gmesupply.com. And don't forget to click subscribe and ring that bell to get notified every time we post a new video. Also, follow us on Instagram, Twitter, and Facebook.